Elmo's got a string hanging from his arm. We'll take care of that in a minute. Are you dancing, sweetheart?
Elmo's t-shirt has a red square on it. How many sides does the square have? That's right.
I think she likes it.
4 equal sides.
What are you doing?
Daphne, Elmo doesn't want you to do that. Elmo wants you to go play with him in the living room. No, Elmo doesn't want you to do that. No. Good girl. No, Elmo says no play with the clothes. Daphne, no. Close the drawer. Elmo says walk away from the dresser. No.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'll send Oscar the Grouch in here to take care of you. Uh-oh. Alright, game over. Game over. You gonna put your bathing suit on Elmo?
Oh,
Yeah? Thanks. All done. I wish.
Elmo.
What's your Elmo say? No. Daphne, please don't do that. Okay. Come on. Say bye-bye.